What problems are they trying to solve or explain? The problems solved and explained. The Shannon-Weaver model helps explain various communication problems including noise, interference, channel limitations, decoding error, and misinterpretation. For example, in a noisy environment, the channel is comprised, making it difficult for the receiver to understand the message. The model highlights the importance of minimizing noise to ensure effective communication. What are the objections and criticisms of the other spec regarding the validity and usefulness of the Shannon-Weaver model? Criticism and objection. While influence, the Shannon-Weaver faced criticism for its linearity. Oversimplification of communication. Critics argue that it ignores the complexity of human interaction and the role of the context in communication. It also fails to account for feedback, which is crucial in effective communication, including lacks feedback loop. Feedback loop is a system that uses information from its output to adjust and improve its performance. Next, the oversimplified communication means reducing complex ideas or information to overly basic terms, which can lead to misunderstanding or lack of nuance. And the last is ignores context and human interaction, means disregarding the background information and social dynamics that influence communication. Despite this criticism, the Shannon-Weaver model remains a valuable tool for understanding communication, providing a framework for examining the elements involved in the communication process.